Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to print your Google Calendar with full event details. Keep in mind that if you try to print your entire calendar, the detailed information for each event won't appear. That's because event descriptions are often too long to fit inside the calendar boxes. When you print the full calendar view, you'll usually only see the event title, time, and date based on whether you choose a daily, weekly, or monthly layout. If you want to include full event details, you'll need to print each event separately. To do that, open the specific event you want to print. Once the event details are on your screen, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Print. This will open the event on its own page, allowing the full description and information to be included in the printout. That's the best way to print a Google Calendar event with all of its details. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you next time.